Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as I will give different interview tips as well as different comments of your doubts in our channel. So in today's video I will discuss about Accenture joining date as well as one question you were commenting, like the backlogs clear issue at the time of onboarding time. So and also few more questions I will discuss. So stay tuned with me, watch the video till end. Lots of things we need to discuss. So firstly I want to mention about the onboarding survey mail. So all of you are getting those who have selected, those who have got the offer letter, those who are getting onboarding letter, they need to survey letter, they need to submit the joining date as 14th of August. Those who are selecting as 14th of August, they are receiving their joining date as 16th of August. So that is the first point I want to discuss. Next, the second point is the location. So maximum the suggested location or the preferred location the students have given, those location most of them are getting, but if you are not getting your preferred location, then also you need to do the job, because in case of IT industry you need to relocate your job from one place to another place in India, and also you need to work as 24/7 work shift also, so there is no choice. So I think you can understand. So if you are getting another location rather than your max preferred location, then you need to I think accept it. Then the second thing or the third thing I need to mention about the filling the survey form which you are getting. So there you need to select your exam, those type of training exam completion date, or within how much time you can complete those exams, and all those details, your preferred joining date, all those details you need to fill up there in that form. And there you will see, after submitting the survey form, you will be able to see that how much the countdown will be shown there, that after 190 days your joining will be, or after 160 days your joining will be. So in that manner, so those students who have not still received the joining letter still yet, so I will say that don't be too much confused with it, because they will send it as a periodical manner, because it's a long process of this recruitment. So don't get too much bothered about it. If you are selected, then you will be receive the joining letter. So those students who are at the stage of selection process, those also had to have complete their documentation. Then submitting documentation, you will be able to accept the offer letter. So after getting the offer letter, you will be able to get the joining letter as well as the onboarding survey mail. So there are few process are there. Okay, so the next question is regarding the backlogs, which is need to be cleared by onboarding time. So lots of you have commented in my previous video that backlogs needs to be cleared or not before joining. Yes, it needs to be clear, because you are getting into a job, and with your backlog you will not be able to showcase your full degree there. So you need to clear your backlog. But one thing I must say, that they will give you time. If you unable to clear your backlog now, then also they will extend your joining time. Then within that time you need to complete your backlog. Okay, so it's a very good understanding between them and the students also. So I will suggest to clear your backlogs before the onboarding time. Okay, so in the second phase of recruitment, so those who are not getting the joining letter, I will suggest that please wait for some more days. You will be surely receiving the second phase joining letter as well as the onboarding survey mail. So in case of, as of now, the joining will be virtual, and when the COVID situation will be over, then you need to relocate your location. And if you are completing your exams, those training exams, then only you will be able to get the stipend of 10,000. So I will suggest that if you are giving a date of joining like 14th August, then you need to complete your preliminary training examination, training video materials complete of those things you need to do before that. Okay, so you need to also require documents upload in your mentioned mail ID, so or in your required profile. So this is the whole process. I think I can clear your doubt, so I suggest to watch this video till end because lots of things I have discussed. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates.